In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an appointment schedule created on Google Calendar. This process is straightforward and can be done easily through your desktop web browser. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Google Calendar on your desktop. You can do this by typing in the URL calendar.google.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Make sure you're logged into the Google account where your calendar and appointment were created. Once Google Calendar has fully loaded, you'll see your calendar layout on the main screen. Next, we need to identify the particular calendar where your appointment schedule is saved. You'll find this on the left panel of the screen under the section labeled My Calendars. If you have multiple calendars, they will all be listed here. Make sure you identify the correct one to ensure you're deleting the right appointment schedule. You might need to click on the drop-down arrow if you don't see the list right away. This helps organize all your different activities and ensure you're looking at the right schedule. Once you've found the correct calendar, look to the main calendar view, which displays all your scheduled events. Find the specific appointment schedule block that you want to delete. The appointment blocks are usually color-coded, depending on how you've set them up. Clicking on the appointment schedule block will open up more details. Now, on the details pop-up, move your cursor to the top right corner. You'll see the trash can icon, which is your go-to tool for deleting. Clicking on this trash can icon indicates that you want to delete the schedule. Be mindful that this action will erase the appointment schedule from your calendar, so it's essential to double check before proceeding. After clicking the trash can, you will usually see a prompt to confirm the deletion. This is a safety feature to ensure you don't erase something by accident. Confirm that you want to delete the schedule, and once confirmed, the entire appointment schedule will be removed from your calendar. This means it won't appear in any of your calendar views moving forward, effectively clearing up space and removing any outdated or incorrect schedules you had. And that's it! You've successfully deleted an appointment schedule from Google Calendar. This action helps keep your calendar organized and up to date. If you ever need to set up new appointments, you can create them with ease, knowing your calendar is tidy and ready for new plans. Thanks for joining us today, and remember to keep checking back for more helpful tutorials.